A short, quick Python tutorial on concatenation. I'll probably say it wrong a couple more times in here, but please forgive me. So today we'll dive into the basics of concatenation strings in Python. With practical examples, you'll learn how to combine text and variables to create dynamic strings effortlessly. Okay, so let's start. So let's just talk about the basics. In Python, you can easily concatenate strings by using the plus operator. So let's use an example. So first name equals John. Let's go last name equals Smith. And then what we want to do is we want to add our concatenation. Full name is going to be equal to first name. Okay, plus let's add a space in between the first and last name. And last name. And lastly, we want to print the full name variable. And hit our handy dandy run button. And see, John Smith. As you can see, we've combined the first and last name variables with the space in between to create the full variables. Okay, so let's use an F string. And we learned that in our last tutorial. So let's use it again here. Let's keep the first and last name. Let's use the full name. Equals F first name and last name. Okay, let's print full name. And there we go, we got John Smith, see? So here we've used the F string to combine the first and last name variables with a space in between. This method is more readable and recommended for more complex expressions. I'm sorry about that. Lastly, joining multiple strings, okay? So lastly, if you need a concat to multiple strings, you can use the join method. So let's show you what the join method is. So let's just say, words equals a list. Hello, Python, and stay inside the brackets, world. Okay, then we have our sentence. Equals plus join. Let's create our join method. And let's join the words. So this will join this together. And let's print our sentence and see how it looks. Hello, Python world. So in this example, we've joined a list of words with a space in between each. I think, let's see. I need to add the space here. Let's run it again. And now we see there's a space in between each of those. And so that's it for the short tutorial on string concatenation in Python. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed this video, again, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more program tutorials. See you guys soon.